Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. First of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup option, and as you can see we will be immediately transferred to this Google account section. So let's tap on add account and make sure that we've got the internet connection because it is required. Here from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so simply tap on it to read and tap on I agree. Alright, and here we've got the section where we can learn about the backup. So we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, of course will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So let's finish it with tapping on turn on, and here we've got again the backup storage, the backup section where we can check the storage, we can check how much space we've got left, we can manage it, so remove some unnecessary files if we've got some. Here we can check the backup details, so what has been already backed up, and the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid any charges. Alright, so to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and right now your device is backing up your data and it will store it on your Google one, on the Google account of course. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.